Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed already. We are gonna see all the shopping items that we have bought on Thanksgiving. This is a little late surprise review that I'm doing for my channel. So please watch the full video that is there in the description. Alright, let's get started. Ta-ta-da. Can you guess what? Ta-ta-da. Ooh, my dream brand. Ta-da. This is Michael Kors perfume. Can you guess the price of this? I got it in Thanksgiving sale. Guess the price of this and comment in the comment section. What could be the price of this? And let's open the next one. The next one. Ta-da! This is Chanel. Okay, let's see what's there in this. Chanel. Ooh. Again, essence. Nice packing. Second item and comment. Also this is it coming? Oh, nicely packed. Guess the price and comment in the comment section. Smells really good. Let's keep this aside. Right. The next item. Guess what? Guess handbag. Guess the price of this fourth item and comment in the comment section. I want to see what is there in this. This has blouse, guess the price of this. And look at this bag. This has very good space. This is my first guess bag. So they have vouchers for credit cards. The next one is Kelly and Katie from DSW. This is the shoes I got from DSW. Guess the price of them and comment. And this is the next one. This is another one. I got it in an offer, really very cheap. I will reveal the prices at the end of my video. So watch till the end. Okay. Let's move on to the next item from Amazon. Videographer is not cooperating, he is not speaking anything. This is my AI camera that I bought to shoot my YouTube videos. So I will reveal the features of this camera in my next video. I will tell the price of this at the end of my video. Huh? This is the tripod stand that I bought. This is not a sponsored video. I just bought it for myself, so I'm just sharing. I'm yet to use it, so please don't buy relying on me because I'm also new to it. I'm yet to open and use it, but I'll definitely share another video when I get to use this and how it performs and what is the quality of videos and camera that I'm gonna get with this. So with that, we finished all the unboxing of Thanksgiving shopping. Now I'm going to reveal the prices of each of them. I actually got another wallet from Michael Kors, which I kind of kept it somewhere. I'll reveal that in another video. So this Skechers shoes that I got, were you able to guess the price of them? These are actually around $150 or something, but I got it for $89. And all these ones are also like $10 ones, around $8, $9, $10 is what I spent to get them. This Michael Kors one was around $118. That was on Thanksgiving sale. And this Chanel perfume was around $220 or something, but it is worth it. It has really good fragrance. Alright friends, with that we finished our Thanksgiving unboxing. We'll meet in the next video. If you haven't subscribed for our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment my videos. We'll be looking forward to meet you again in my next video. Tata, bye bye, see you.